Then there's the third one, which is nakedness. It speaks of intimacy. It speaks of openness. One of the greatest mistakes many people make in marriage, we reduce intimacy to only physical connection. So masicabanga intimacy, thina madoda sicabanga embedeni. To us that is intimacy. And that's how we program. Angeke uhambe ilanga lonke nembewu la ingafuna ukutshala. We are carrying seed, and the seed wants the soil. Wants the soil. I'm saying that women understand. Ungezikimi uthi umfundisi umuntu wami uthanda lento every day ufuna ngibamba nami nginalo. Whatever sickness ebethe indoda yakho nami nginalo sickness. So now I can't help you. Now I need help. Come on. The seed wants the ground. The seed must receive the ground. I was the whole day listening to say nyagazi. They are alive, so they need to be released. Oh, mom, then they have a headache. I make a time. I make a headache. Let me tell you something. You don't have to feel like it to have sex. The Bible is clear. Sex can be a duty. It's biblical. Ulala nomuntu wako because umuntu wako. Why? Because you feel like it. There are times when you're not going to feel like it, but he wants it. Nige. Let's not withhold. Put to Paul, do not rob each other. So whenever you withhold sex from your partner, you are robbing them. And to God, you are already doing something wrong. Give them. I'm not saying pedal. What are they shy every day, my brother? Woman every day shy. It's okay. There'll be a time now, must I call call. A time now, you'll see call much. It's good. Not always gonna be. There's a time when. So makusekwenzeka nje every day shaya. Futhi labaqeda ukushada shaya. Fuse ngayo. There's nothing wrong. You are not sick. You are right. You are very much healthy. So we do. Sex is for, I don't know why you figure that. Sex is for kusala. Biblical. The reason we have sex is for procreation. Number 2, sex is for enjoyment. It's for enjoyment. We need to enjoy it. But also sex is for duty. I have sex with my partner because it is their right over me. And do with my body, my rules. So you told that label Facebook, not a shut my body, my rules, not here. I know, but let's not force ourselves to our partners. Right? Understand there are times that one would exhausted. Yes. Yes, exhausted. Yes. So wisdom learn. Indeed, wisdom learn. Mouse is good. I want to tell you, but whenever I'm to make a message, you initiate a mom. Hey, I'm so tired today. I don't even want to speak. Of everyone good day. And sometimes so but smart. Everything that is her responsibility to figure out, do all of it. Do all of it. Do all of it. Can we not withhold sex to each other? Can we not withhold sex to each other, please? Can we not? I'm still saying there's nothing wrong with when you are 6 from pen. She will beg a little meaning to Yaki as so alive. Okay. Good night, baby. It's healthy. But intimacy is not just